நம் மாநிலத்தின் முழக்கம் வாய்மையே வெல்லும். வாய்மை எனப்படுவது யாதெனின் யாதொன்றும் தீமை இல்லாத சொலல் என்கிறார் வள்ளுவர். நம்மை சுற்றியுள்ளவர்களை மனதளவில் பாதிக்கின்ற தீங்கு விளைவிக்கின்ற சொற்களை பேசாமல் தவிர்ப்பது மனிதர்களுக்குரிய நற்பண்பு ஆகும். சிறுவர்களுக்கு சிறுவயதிலிருந்தே பொய் பேசுவதன் தீமைகளையும் உண்மை பேசுவதன் சிறப்புகளையும் எடுத்து கூறுவது அவசியமாகும்.
I am a county and the state of Tamil Nadu. I am an integral part of coastal India. I am considered sacred and worshipped as Karpagataru. We are planted around the water bodies as people believe in recharging water. Palm fruits are best had in summer as they provide nutrition.
I am a jackfruit. I am the state fruit of Tamil Nadu. I am certainly considered as a king of fruit. I am unique tropical fruit. I have a thick wall with thorns on the exterior part. I am commonly used in Southeast Asian cuisine. I am also the national fruit of Bangladesh and Sri Lanka.
Hi, I am Gloria Sarina. I am the state flower of Tamil Nadu as well as the national flower of Zimbabwe. I am used to treat cancer, ulcer, cholera, snake bite and kidney problems. In Tamil, I am commonly known as Karthikeyan because I grow during the Tamil month of Karthika, and I am also loved for my beauty. I am Nilgiri Tar and the state animal of Tamil Nadu. I am mostly found in Nilgiri hills. I am a stocky goat with curved horns. I am only found in India. A large part of my population has been wiped out and the existing ones are under severe stress due to habitat loss and hunting. So please protect us. Hi, I am Tamilian butterfly. I am a state insect. I am orange in color with a dark brown outer. I am also known as Tamil Maravan, which means warrior. We move in groups in large numbers, but at few places, mainly in hilly areas.